Hey friends, and welcome to today's standing Pilates workout for abs and legs. So in today's workout, it is a reformer inspired class, but we're doing it standing up. So perhaps if you don't have time to jet out to the studio, or it's maybe not in your budget, this is the next best thing. And you're only gonna need a towel, the floor, and a resistance band if you wanna increase the intensity. Let's start with the standing abdominal warm-up, okay? So stand with your feet hip width apart, tiny bend in the knees. Lift up out of that low back, zip up those abdominals. You're gonna reach your arms up, you're gonna push down into that left leg. You're gonna bring that right leg up. And again, right leg up, good. Move those arms. Exhale as you bring the leg up, nice. Stand tall here, and we're gonna go to your other side and left. Nice. So if you have a challenge with balance, you can always bring one hand to the wall. Nice, continue. And now we're gonna alternate. We go right, left, good. As you lift that leg up, push your opposite foot into the ground. We're gonna add a twist. Twist. These look simple, but they're definitely sneaky. Let's go 8, 7, 6, 5. Good, keep lifting. And 3, 2, 1. Whew. Nice, reach those arms up, open the chest, circle around. Okay, let's get started. So you're gonna need your towel on the floor to begin with. So we're gonna begin with your standing series. So your foot is gonna go on the towel. Your right foot is gonna be stabilizing for the first bit. So before we move, let's lift up out of that low back, open the chest. Hands on the hips, look straight ahead. Take an inhale here. Hinge at the hips, but keep the spine nice and long and the ribs are soft. You're gonna extend through that left leg and slowly bring it in. Nice, be mindful of your right toe, right heel, that it is making contact with the ground and you're not rolling out from the ankle. Nice, continue. Extending back, resisting in. And think of pushing your foot down into the ground to create more resistance in the front of the leg. And the same idea for when you extend back, engaging. Good, continue, 8 more. Can you get a little more lower? Nice, and you should start to feel that right glute and hip say hello. Nice, let's go 5 more. Nice, extending back. Keep that chest open. On the next one, hold the leg back. Now I want you to bend the knees and get deeper into your right hip. Hold it here. Open the chest. Keep those abdominals in. You're gonna push through your right foot and lift up. Nice. And again, inhale. We lower down with control. Hold here. Open the chest. Push through your right foot and lift. Good. Continue to flow. So lowering down, exhale, lifting, 8 more. Nice, can you get a little deeper with each rep? And what's great about this exercise is not only are you strengthening your hips and glutes and legs, but you're also feeling a bit of a stretch in the front of the left quad. You can do this, 4 more. Keep that chest open. Exhale as you lift up. Last 2. On the next one, hold it back and hold here. Nice. Get a little deeper. 5, 4, abs in. 3, get a little deeper. 2 and 1. Whew. Great job. Okay, let's turn around and do the other side. So, feet are hip width apart. Now your right foot is on the towel. We're gonna hinge at the hips, zip up those abs. We're gonna extend that right leg back and in. Good, keep those abs in, back, in. And you can add a little arm movement. Nice, reach back. And I want you to press through those toes, fire up the muscles in your legs. 8 more. Nice and slow and controlled. And you should start to feel your left glute and hip on this side. Can you get one more inch deeper? Okay, on that very next one, we're gonna hold the leg back, bend the knee, get deeper into the hips, hold, abs are in and up. We're gonna lift up, push through that left leg, and we go right back down. So you lower down, hold, you lift right back up. Nice, continue to flow. Nice and controlled. Push through that left foot, big toe. 8 more. Good, you've got this. We are almost there. Good, last 2. On the next one, you're gonna hold it down. Oh, one more. I got excited. Hold it down on this next one, stay. Good, hold and breathe. Give me 5 seconds. Push through that foot, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Wow, okay, so now we're gonna grab the band. Remember, you can still do this exercise if you do not have the band. So let's grab that band. We're gonna put it over your mid calves. And now we're gonna go back to the right leg, okay? So here, with this one, what you wanna do is open up the legs a little wider than hip width apart. Zip up those abs, bend the knees. Nice, so keep your pelvis right over the middle. And now when you're ready, we're gonna extend that left leg out and in. Nice, so you reach out, in, push out, resistant. Good, 8 more. Good, try to get a little lower in those hips. Abdominals in. Let's go 4 more. Last 2. And on the next one, hold it out, stay there. Lengthen that leg now. Readjust your foot on the towel if you need to. And we're gonna go down, lift up. Down, lift up. So pushing through that foot, sending the hips back. Down and up. Good, let's go 6 more here. Nice, and as you hinge, make sure you keep those abs in, spine long. Last bit here. And we have a tiny hold now. Hold it here, hold 5, hold 4. You can do little pulses, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, great job. Okay, we're gonna switch. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So open up those legs a little wider than hip width apart. Good, we're gonna bend those knees. Good, keep the weight back, and let's start with that leg out and in. Nice, continue, 8 more. Out, in. Nice, and you're pushing your foot onto the towel, creating a little more resistance in your legs. Last bit here, give me 4 more. Breathing in through the back ribs. On this next one, hold the leg out, stay, hinge at the hips, lift up. So sending your butt back, lift up. Good, 8 more. Last 3, you got this. 2, 1 more, hold it here, small pulses, or just hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, great job. Okay, so we have one final exercise. We're gonna do a similar exercise that we started with, but we're adding resistance, okay? Now remember, if you have a challenge with balance, you can always come next to the wall, or you don't have to use the band. So we're gonna cross the band, and we're gonna take it over our toes. So that's gonna create resistance right there, okay? So when you're ready, we're gonna take a breath. You're gonna bring the hands behind the head. Now take a moment to lift up out of that low back and engage your core muscles. So when you're ready, head is heavy in the hands. Inhale, exhale, press into your left foot, and you're gonna lift that right leg up and add an ab curl. and lower down. And again, push into that left foot, lift up out of that left hip, ab curl, and open up. Good. And this is 3. And this is 4. Nice. And this is 5. And 6. Opening up the chest. And 7. One more. You can do this. 8. Woo. Okay, when you're ready, taking a breath, open up that chest, sit up nice and tall, press into that right foot, lift up out of that right hip, and we ab curl 1. Ab curl 2. Ab curl 3. Ab curl 4. And this is 5. Last one here, and done. Woo! Okay, we are done with that band. Great job today in today's standing Pilates workout. Now remember, you can always do this workout as a circuit. So that means you start the video all over again and do the exercises again. And I remember, every week I come out with a brand new Pilates class. So be sure to like this video, and I'll see you next time in class.